Welcome back to Smart Choice Reviews Tech, your go-to channel for honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple's flagship from 2022 to 2023. We'll cover everything from design and display to performance, cameras, battery life, software, and comparisons with previous iPhones and competitors. If you're considering upgrading, there is a link to the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the description below, so you can check it out. Stick around for our full verdict at the end. Design and build. Starting with design, the iPhone 14 Pro Max maintains Apple's iconic premium look. It features a stainless steel frame and textured matte glass back. The build feels sturdy yet comfortable in hand, and the new color options are elegant. Compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the changes are subtle but meaningful, with improved ergonomics and a slightly slimmer profile. Display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion technology. Brightness peaks have been increased, making HDR content and outdoor viewing exceptional. Colors remain vivid but accurate, perfect for gaming, streaming, and photo editing. We'll also compare it side by side with other flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to see how Apple's display stacks up. Performance. And a 16-chip. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, Apple's most advanced processor at the time. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and demanding games run flawlessly. We'll dive into benchmarks and real-world performance tests, including gaming, video editing, and AI tasks to see how it handles intensive workloads. Efficiency improvements also ensure better battery life under heavy usage. Camera system. Apple continues to lead in smartphone cameras. The iPhone 14 Pro Max features an upgraded main sensor for improved low-light performance, enhanced telephoto zoom, and a versatile ultra-wide lens. Video capabilities include cinematic mode, action mode, and ProRes recording, making it a top choice for creators. We'll show sample photos and videos and compare them with previous iPhones and competitors to evaluate performance in real-world conditions. Battery life and charging. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day even with heavy usage such as gaming, streaming, and photography. Apple's optimization ensures longevity and efficiency. Charging is fast and with MagSafe support. Wireless charging is simple and convenient. We'll also show exact charging times from 0 to 100. Software and iOS 16 features. iOS 16 brings new customization options, improved notifications, smarter AI tools, and privacy features that keep your data secure. We'll explore hidden tips and tricks, multitasking features, photo organization, and Siri improvements that enhance daily use, connectivity, and extra features. The iPhone 14 Pro Max supports 5 grams, Wi-Fi 6, and ultra-wideband for AirDrop and tracking devices. Face ID, spatial audio, and MagSafe accessories add to the overall experience, making it a versatile smartphone for daily and professional use. Comparison with previous models and competitors. Is upgrading from the iPhone 13 Pro Max worth it? We'll compare performance, cameras, display, and battery life. We'll also compare it to Android flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Google Pixel 7 Pro to see how Apple stands in the high-end smartphone market. Pros and cons. Pros: premium build, outstanding display, top-tier performance, professional-grade cameras, long battery life, iOS 16 features. Cons: high price, minor incremental design changes from previous models, and charging speed slightly behind some competitors. Overall, it's one of the most polished smartphones available. Final verdict: the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a powerful and refined smartphone ideal for creators, gamers, and daily users. It excels in performance, display, and camera quality, making it a top-tier option in Apple's lineup. If you're interested in buying one, check the link in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching this full review on Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Comment below, would you upgrade to the iPhone 14 Pro Max or stick with your current device? This is Smart Choice Reviews Tech, helping you make the smart choice in technology.